Naveen. In this video I am going to explain about how to solve the metal magic ring puzzle. This puzzle consists of two identical rings. One is in M shape and the other is in W shape. These two rings are identical to each other, whether we can arrange in M shape or in W shape. So recently I had attended one of the science fair where around 600 students have tried to solve this puzzle. Unfortunately, only 3 students have been clear this puzzle, but the sad thing is they doesn't know the logic behind this puzzle. So in this video I am going to explain the trick behind to solve this puzzle. Here we go. I am joining these two rings. In order to join these two rings, I have to arrange these two rings in M shape and we have to face opposite to each other. I am moving these two rings close to each other. After reaching this particular point, I am turning this ring. Nothing but we are maintaining an angle of 90 degrees. Nothing but we are placing M ring with respect to another ring at perpendicular. So at this particular point I am moving these two rings. So by applying this, these two rings are connected to each other. Without knowing the logic, it is very difficult to solve or to separate these two rings. So now I am going to explain the trick behind to separate these two rings. Okay, so first of all we have to arrange these two rings in a particular shape. So I am the observer. So in my point of view I am saying that one ring must be facing towards me and the ring shape must be in M shape. Yes, and the other ring must be in W shape. So we have to place these two rings in two different shapes. One is in M shape and the other is in W shape. After arranging these two rings in this particular manner, we have to move this W shaped ring in this particular path. So I am moving this W ring in this path. Yes. After reaching at this particular point, I have to move this W shaped ring towards M ring. Yes. After reaching, simply and slowly drop down the W shaped ring. Yes. This is the simple logic to separate these two rings. Once again I repeat the puzzle. I am placing this perpendicular to each other and joining these two rings. After joining these two rings, and according to the logic, I have to keep these two rings in one is at M shape and the other one is W shape. So I am making it as one in M shape and the other in W shape. I am moving W ring in this particular path. So after reaching at this particular point, I am moving the ring W towards M ring and I am slowly dropping down the W ring. Yes. Here is the logic.